Yo.
Roomy, what are you doing that's so funny? I'm watching one too many reactions. Those knuckleheads, haven't you seen all their videos already? I thought they did, but they have a Patreon page now with some brand new videos like this.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Joke you broke, love lies away.
And this.
She said, give me some crumping.
A lot of hands.
A lot of hands.
Big, like big.
It's a big hand. It's a big hand.
Well, why didn't you say so? Scoot over, would ya?
What's good, everybody? One too many reactions. We're back on some Eminem. We just did Relapse, Stay Wide Awake. We had a talk about that whole ordeal of him going from one to the next. Recovery, again, my opinion, wasn't as good as Relapse, but I always thought it was like a very good fucking album. And the more I go back to it and the more I listen to it, the more I'm like, this is such a fucking fire listen. Like the whole way through. It's just like got a lot of good songs. It's more easy listening than a lot of his other stuff, I would say.
Yeah.
But it really is a good track. And Cold Wind Blows is like one of my favorite intro songs for like any of his albums. So
Yeah. The going to the album, like listening to it back the replay value has gone up over time for me as well, because with being such a big fan of Relapse, when Recovery came out, it was like initially kind of not like a letdown, but like because it's like, I was hoping for more Relapse kind of.
Relapse 2 is gonna be sweet.
But no, as like time's gone on, like get to appreciate the songs for what they are and not like being like, oh man, it's been.
That's kind of how I felt watching Cobra Kai season 5. I was like, if I watched this when it came out, I probably wouldn't have liked it. But watching it as just a season of a story, I thought it was fire.
You're gonna have to tell me what happens after, because I watched it and I just don't remember it. But I think I remember kind of being like, they need to wrap this up.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah. Speaking of, let's wrap this up.
Yeah, we talked too much.
It's better when they stay the same. Although the whole world knows your name, someone up bigger stage. They came to see you spit your game. Oh, shouldn't be difficult to explain. Just why you came back again. You hate the fame, love the game.
She couldn't.
And like, you know, just it doesn't seem like there's any. It seems like they just wrote it down in like paragraph form and didn't like break up.
Yeah.
Here remain, fuck them all, tell them all. Eat shit, here we go again.
This is such a good fucking.
You can get the dick, just call me the ball sack. I'm nuts, Michael Vick in this bitch. Don't fall back, you mutts, fuck your worms. You never seen such a sick puppy, fucking a sick. Yup, I want my duck sick, mommy, and my nuts slick. Gobble them up, trick, yummy. But you don't fucking think I know that you suck dick, yummy. You get your butt kicked, fuck all that love shit, honey. Yeah, I laugh when I call you a slut. It's funny, shorty dance while I dish it to the beat. Fuck the words, you don't listen to them anyway. Yeah, struck a nerve sucker, motherfucker. Might as well let my lips pucker like Elton John, 'cause I'm just a mean cocksucker. This shit is
Bro, that actually, like, when you think about that bar, it's pretty fucking fire. Like, cause he's like, cause you know, like, oh, dude, that dude can like cook a mean steak. You know what I mean? He's like, dude, I'm a mean cocksucker. Elton John he's like, that man is good at blowjobs. Like, that's so fucking funny. I'm just a mean cocksucker.
my lips pucker like Elton John, 'cause I'm just a mean cocksucker. This shit is on, 'cause you wouldn't piss me off. Now I'm sitting and pissing on everybody. Give a fuck if it's right or wrong. So put the Buddha light up on. But take a look at Mariah. Next time I inspire you to write a song. Come on.
He dusted her. Not that that's anything to He's like picked on her. She did. It's funny though that she actually dissed him first.
Yeah, it was like a music video,
and she put a
guy in there. There wasn't the guy. Didn't he have like a goatee or something?
With me.
Like she didn't even try to make it look like him.
Yeah. I think she just.
She didn't want to like get too close to the fire.
Yeah,
he's like, I know what you're doing.
He lost
this
it.
ends now.
Yeah, he went off on it. This hook, dude. I fucking love this hook.
I'm as cold as a cold wind blows when it snows and it's 20 feet low. Ask me why, man, I just don't know. No. I'm as cold as the cold wind blows. Fuck it, I'm a loose cannon. Bruce Banner's back in the booth. Y'all are sitting ducks. I'm the only goose standing. I set the world on fire. Piss on it, put it out. Stick my dick in the circle, but I'm not fucking around. Motherfucker, I saw you pussyfooting. I kick a bitch in the cunt till it makes a queef and sounds like a fucking whoopee cushion.
Bro, that actually is really the fact that like pussyfooting and whoopee cushion like rhyme perfectly, but also like I'll show you pussyfooting. Like I'll kick a bitch in the cunt. Like that's fucking a really fire bar.
Stick my dick in the circle, but I'm not fucking around. Motherfucker, I saw you pussyfooting. I kick a bitch in the cunt till it makes a queef and sounds like a fucking whoopee cushion. Who the fuck is you pushing? You must have mistook me for some sissy soft punk. Looking for some nookie or bosom. Go ahead, fucking hater, push me. I told you ain't no fucking way to shush me. Call me a faggot cause I hate a pussy. Man, the fuck up, sissy.
2010.
Ease up, all your gardeners freeze up. Put your hose down. Say to ease up, man, chill. Nah, I can't, goddammit. Rap is a landfill. Drop the anvil. These are shoes that you can't fill. Shit, the day that happens, the world will stop spinning and Michael J. Fox will come to a standstill. During the earthquake, urine in your face cause you're fake. Ah, what the fuck? That hurt, wait. Ah, what the fuck? I just got struck by lightning. Alright, then I quit. Gotta give up. Call it evil that men do. Lord, forgive me for what my pen do.
This is for your sins, I cleanse you. You can repent, but I warn you if you continue, to hell I send you.
And just then the wind blew and I said,
What does that voice have a name? Is that?
No, he was just saying he was talking to God there. But you heard that voice used as Slim Shady before.
Yeah,
it was probably like, it's similar, but that was he was like, God, I give up. Like, call it evil that men do, Lord forgive me. But that's actually fire too, because he's like, oh, like this is for your sins, I cleanse you. He's like, I warn you, if you continue, to hell I send you. And then he's like, and just then the wind blew. I said, like fuck that.
If you continue, to hell I send you.
and just then the wind blew and I said,
But yeah, that was the same like Marshall.
Yeah.
Like in Dr. West in the beginning when he turns into Slim Shady. Yeah. And My Darling too. He was talking back and forth.
yeah, you couldn't kill me if you talk. Shady until my dying day, till I hang up the mic and it's time for me to say so long. So then I drop the fucking bombs like I missed the pass when I went home. If you don't like it, you can kiss my ass and a link thong. Now sing along, slut this, slut that, learn the words of the song. Oh, bitches don't like that. Homie, I'll be nicer to women when not one man drowns and a human torch starts swimming. Man, I'm a cold soul, I roll solo, so don't compare me to the mother buns over there. It's like apples.
The O sound on that sequence too.
Women when not one man drowns and a human torch starts swimming. Man, I'm a cold soul, I roll solo, so don't compare me to the mother buns over there. It's like apples to oranges, peaches to plums. Yeah, I'm bananas, pussy, cut off the grapes and grow a pear. But I swear, you try to diss me, I slaughter you. I put that on everything, like everyone does with auto-tune. The last thing you wanna do is have me spit out a rhyme and say I was writing this and I thought of you. So
One thing that M always has done his whole career is went to war with whack rap, bro. Like, he never gave a fuck. He's been, like, auto-tunes lame, mumble raps lame. Like, and he just, like, no matter how old he gets, dude, he's just still gonna be doing that shit. Like,
I'm as cold as a cold wind blows when it's
bro, when he uses auto-tune on My Mom, and they're
Valiant.
Valiant man.
That shit,
So he does
yeah,
it, dude,
that shit killed me. Like,
the first time I heard it, yeah, dude, he just went for it, yeah.
Ask me why, man, I just don't know. No, 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 no. I'm as cold as the cold wind blows, 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 blows. I don't know what caused me to be this way. I don't know.
This song's crazy. It's got like a intro, good outro.
I'm so cold, mean things I don't need to say. Yes, this is how you made me.
Sick. Recovery off the list. We're getting through these. Getting through at least a taste of all of his albums.
what is your opinion of his big single, like, attacking pop culture, like the We Made You, Real Slim Shady?
Ending at this album?
Well, I was just thinking just generally, because this How We Made You just made me think of it. What's your favorite of all, like, the...
Without Me.
Yeah.
Without Me is the best one of those. Real Slim
Yeah, I probably
Shady's
agree.
second, but Without Me is definitely the hardest.
I will say, I'll probably agree with you as far as, Without Me, Real Slim Shady, and then, like, We Made You such a dirty pleasure for me at this point.
Really?
Yeah.
I think that
I
might
love
be.
it.
It might be better than Just Lose It. I'm not sure, but I would have to say My Name is the next best out of those, and then I would go with. I don't know. It's between those two, but I really am not huge on either of those.
Yeah.
We made you
Understandably.
back by popular demand. Papa Little's and tax and test it if you can. All right, see you on the next one. See you.